in a land so sunny, where the grass did grow, lived a quokka named Quincy, with a radiant glow. His fur was brown, and his smile so wide, Quincy loved pictures. Oh, what a stride! One day, in the sunshine so bright, Quincy hopped with a joyful delight. "Hello, dear friends, gather round, let's take pictures in the land so profound." He struck a pose with a quokka flair, his smile so big and eyes in a stare. Snap, 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 went the camera so neat, in the land where the joy was sweet. But wait, what's this? A kangaroo so bouncy, hopped by with a jump so flouncy. "Hey, dear Quincy, what's the fuss? In the land where the photos discuss." Quincy giggled. "Join the fun, kangaroo friend, in the land where the pictures never end. Hop and pose with a kangaroo hop, in the land where the smiles pop." So the quokka and kangaroo, side by side, hopped and posed with a picture glide. They grinned and bounced in the sun so grand, in the land where the snapshots stand. As the day rolled on and the sun dipped low, Quincy felt a yawn. Oh, so slow. "I'm getting sleepy, my bouncy mate, in the land where the dreams await." The kangaroo nodded with a hop so light. "Rest your paws under the moon so bright, in the land where the stars twinkle with delight. Good night, dear Quincy, sleep tight." So Quincy hopped to his cozy nook under the moon, where the dreams would cook. He curled up tight with a quokka grin, whispering, "Good night, land, see you again." And so, in the quiet of the land so fair, the grass slept with a gentle air, with dreams of pictures and joy so bright, a sweet good night until the morning light.